This is a close-up video of the excavator climbing onto the trailer extremely skillfully by the operator. The operator, with precise skills and many years of experience, places the excavator in the correct position to safely climb onto the trailer. When the excavator finally rests on the trailer, it is a sign of success and harmony between man and machine. Here's how to quickly clear wild bushes using a D8L bulldozer and a traction chain. How to dig a V-shaped ditch very quickly with a Hyundai R220LC9 excavator.
Oh yeah, I don't know, people find it very believable. It's uncanny, it really is. Can you believe that? It's not, it's so crazy. And all of this, and yeah, 9 times out of 10 it works.
With advanced technology and incredible power, this excavator not only saves time but also increases efficiency during ditch digging. This 627H vehicle is designed to move large amounts of rock flexibly and stably, in difficult conditions. The precise transmission and steering system help the 627H help move loads of rock and soil from one place to another safely and quickly. Unbelievable with the operator's skills and thinking, he is installing the sprocket without outside help. He demonstrated delicate and precise control when loading the crawler onto the excavator, while maintaining a confident calmness. The Tesmec 1475, UK, pipeline bucket wheel excavator is a powerful piece of equipment with the ability to dig deep and move materials quickly. The Menzi Muka 91 4x4 Plus 3-way excavator is a versatile device, capable of moving on a variety of terrains. With its powerful digging arm and flexible bucket, this excavator can dig deep efficiently, even in hard-to-reach places. Besides, the machine has precise control capabilities, making it flexible in performing jobs that require high precision. This is how Brazilian farmers pull weeds using a knife chain connected to the two tails of the tractor. This is the image of hard work and strength on the construction site. The excavator and bulldozer are working extremely hard on the harsh construction site. With strength and patience, they work endlessly, turning and digging, creating precise and powerful lines in the harsh ground. This is the image of diligence and passion, when operators devote all their mind and energy to completing the job accurately and effectively. This is a fairly common way of cutting trees in Portugal when cutting down tree stumps that do not comply with planting regulations.
Da habe ich mich aber eben erschrocken.
Tractor K701 with a powerful engine and good transmission system, it is capable of pulling large and heavy loads like the Tatra 813.
Gewartet, dass er Tatra sich